Peanut butter. Good turnout here. All to see this out. All the other stuff too. That's better. Take two.
Well, that's, yeah, I mean, that's the next debate is, do I want to go into it, or I know Killer Butte is pulling it.
Nice to meet you. This is Purple Escara. So amazing. You're going to love it. I remember something about it. Yeah. So pretty. Heck yeah. How do you like it? Let's do it, man.
What's up? Bam.
We'll get the image and ship and get out. Cool. Let's turn it up.
Ooh wee. Thing is slick. B18, real one. This thing's only a supercharged one. Little turbo BRZ here. Turbo TA, 6.2 bleed. Dung Beetle here.
Like lay down, just like arms to the end.
It's got like 20K on it. Beautiful car, man.
Thank you.
Absolutely gorgeous. It's like the dream one.
20,000 miles.
Wow, 20,000. Oh, SBT exhaust. Nice.
Original tires.
I think that OG stuff is just pretty cool. Like when you see like they say tuned by SBT and stuff, I always thought that was pretty cool stuff. Oh, it's paper tag still. What's up, man? How are y'all?
Hey, doing good, doing good.
Good.
240 for everything.
What's up? Little Evo here. Everyone at the Subi needs to get around and jump them.
I don't have it here.
How are y'all? Let's check out his Evo. Probably shouldn't say this, but it's pretty cool. How are you guys doing? Thanks for coming, man. Thanks for coming. Awesome tire. Got full interior and AC. Pretty neat. CRX is here. I've always thought these CRXs are neat. These little tiny cars look so much fun to drive. Oh, I bet. This man has the Christmas spirit. Wish it were at night. I want to see it all lit up. Nice little Rex here. Ooh, it's an auto with eyesight. Didn't see many of those. How are you guys doing? Good? Sweet. Little bag seat here. Tucking tire. Sweet. We like Mustangs too. Cool seeing it next to a blue hatch. STI hatch. Ooh. JC's. Good looking car. This is John here. He actually just finished up a flex fuel kit. Did a good job matching all this paint stuff here. Just finished up a wrap, and I heard he's doing a little stuff to the hood soon too, so I'll keep y'all updated on that. I'm sure he'll send me some photos of it. Oh, STI hatch. So many STI hatches, you never see this many.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Sort of like Fresh Detective. Yeah. You see all that hair
Pick a storyline.
Little B18 boy here. The B series on my Honda stuff, excuse me.
So sick.
It's just nice to stand alone.
Yeah. What's up? Dude, Ray and I talked about it. Seriously. We are yeah, never been off.
The only time you won't feel like that.
Sam, you'd appreciate this car. Have you seen it? 20,000 miles, original owner. No one's ever sat in the back seat. Yeah.
I never won.
Load it up, Santa sleigh.